Up here we've got your utility shower, so it's going to be a small outdoor shower that you can use to wash off your feet when you come back from the beach, wash off the dogs, stuff like that. So once again, you're going to use your common key, your 751 key, to open this lock. And then you'll see here we have a little shower with a shut off on the nozzle, as well as a couple set of taps for hot and cold. Mostly self-explanatory this shower is, but you do want to keep in mind that even though there's a shut off on the handle, you should turn off the taps in here, otherwise you will lose water pressure from the interior of the trailer. Here we've got your outdoor kitchen, which is a lovely feature to have, because if you're cooking any of your smelly fish or anything like that, you don't have to do that inside. So once again, we're going to use our 751 key to open this up. And we'll latch our door up here so we can keep it out of the way. Inside we've got a 110 only fridge. So this fridge here is going to work only when you are plugged into a park box and receiving power. It is not propane and it does not run off of your battery. Here we have your outdoor stove, so great for keeping your cooking mess outside. It's got 2 burners on here. You do have to light this with a barbecue lighter, so you're just going to turn your nozzles to light and then stick your barbecue lighter in there and light them. This will run off the trailer's propane. So there is a propane hose which you must connect every time you go to use this. That hose there is a quick connect that runs underneath the trailer to right down here.